Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is part 5 of our bearded dragon. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. Also, while you're at it, take a visit to that website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And now that that's out of the way, let's just get right into it. So today we are going to finish up the top of this guy's head, and we are just going to continue using the same color palette that we have, which is our yellow ochre, burnt umber, raw umber, titanium white, and Mars black. And right here I mixed up just a little bit of yellow ochre and titanium white and got to drawing in some details in here. And from there I will mix up a little bit of my raw umber and get some of that dark details from that reference image. And from there I just go back and forth like always and make sure on the top of this head to use a little extra white on some of these parts to really highlight the area where the light is reflecting off the top of his head. So as I got to laying this darker color down, I realized it was just way too dark compared to the rest of the other colors. So I will go back through and lighten it up, but I kind of like how it ended up looking. That underlaying darkness really helped make it look a lot more dirty underneath there and really had this stark darkness to it. And then when I added that raw umber on top of it, it really just kind of helped tone it down. And I think it just ended up working out best. So as I was working this guy, I realized there was just some areas that needed just a little bit more of that yellow color in there. So I did get a little bit of my cadmium yellow out and add it to it just to really kind of liven it up and add some more warmth to it. That's gonna do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. This bearded dragon is looking super cool. Tune in the next episode. We'll get a lot more work done. Remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share, and I will see you in the next episode.